no squeak, she says. More fun with that camel than the cat does.
Yeah, yeah. It's supposed to be for cats, man. Oh, where's that squeak?
Yeah.
Where's that squeak? Huh? It doesn't squeak anymore. Where's the ball? Hmm?
See, now she never rolls in the other way.
Yeah, that's her game.
Uh-oh, it rolled right out of the chair, though. Now she can't get it.
Where is it? Where is it, Dickie?
I think it might have gone too deep. Oh, no,
Get it in. Yeah. Good puppy.
And now she has to try to find it. Ooh, where did it go?
Where is it? Where's the ball?
There you go. Poor Nicky. Don't squeak no more.
Where's the ball? Where's the ball?